Hey boys, Scotty the Redneck Canadian. I'm out here in the bush today and looking for some trees to make some logs out of so we can build a Katie condo. And I spied this right here. This big old Widowmaker just sitting here. Usually when these trees uproot, these are big tooth aspen. Usually when they uproot, they're not rotten all the way up through. But when they break off, they're rotten all through. And these are, other than the maple trees, see there's another big aspen here, another big aspen here, big aspens. Other than maples, it's pretty much all aspens back in here. And all these aspens are like one tree. It's pretty cool. So when you cut this down, it's just a stalk. So they break off, they get rotten. And I don't know, we're gonna get rid of this one. Hopefully not make a widow of me. So the idea here is that it's gonna swing down. So I'm gonna start my cut on the top and then I'm gonna go from the bottom up. And unfortunately, I ran this chain into the dirt and it's not the sharpest, but I'm too lazy at this point to run up to the barn and get a new one. So we'll give it a try. Starting to cleave, so I'm gonna try it. It looks like it's gonna want to go over. All right. And it's not rotten in the middle. Okay, so you can see it's kind of split, but I think most of the weight is on this left side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in with the backhoe. I'm gonna grab it and try to jerk it that way so that it falls right in here. 100 cups of coffee, 500 cigarettes, 1,000 miles of highway, but I ain't forgot her yet, but I'll keep on moving. Keep on moving it down the line. And there we go. This one was actually still green at the top, which is why it was not rotten. But that is one hell of a saw log. I'm gonna have to get it off of this ironwood, this hot horn beam here. But hell yeah. You see there's like just a little teeny tiny bit right there in the middle. But that'll peter out in that log within the next couple of feet. And all right, time to chop this up. Well, the midnight headlights find me on a rainy night, steep grade up ahead, slow me down, making no time. I keep a rolling, and a windshield wiper slapping out of tempo, keep a perfect rhythm with the song on the radio. I keep a rolling. I said, ooh, well, I'm driving my life away. All right, so we're looking pretty good. They're hard in the middle, although right there, see that black ring? That's starting to get some rot. So I think the rest of that tree is just gonna go for campfire wood bundles next year. What I did, I cut these into 4-foot 4-inch logs, but I do need some studs to stud out the wall that are 11 foot or 10 foot something. So I cut this one at 11-foot 4. So we're gonna load this up and maybe tomorrow we'll put them on the sawmill and turn them into some paneling and some 2x4s. And I put this stuff up green. I put something black behind it, black plastic or black tar paper behind it, and then it shrinks, and who cares because it's black behind it. So all right, till next time, keep your stick on the ice, eh?